Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this, I am your friend Gaurav Tripathi. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code, the one of the most popular code editor out there. So before going in this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's go. So open your search engine. I will go through the Chrome and simply type here Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. You can see the website name is code.visualstudio.com. You can click here and the website is open and you can see here the download for Windows. If you want to download in Linux or Mac OS, so you can simply download here. I will go through the download Windows because my operating system is Windows. So simply click here and you can see your exe file. Visual Code Studio's exe file is downloading here. If you want to see, go to the top right corner and click here and downloads option. Click on the downloads option. Here is the downloading 88.8 MB size. The exe file is downloaded. So click here on show in folder. Here is the exe file of Visual Studio Code. Double click on it and minimize this and agree the agreement of Visual Studio Code. I accept the agreement, tick, and by default it take the location where you can simply change the location where you want to download. I will go to the default. Next, check the create a desktop icon and uncheck this and simply click on next. Install. It might be take some times on your PC speed. It depends on your PC speed. You can simply click on finish. And here's the Visual Code Studio open, and you can simply go through the you can download here the extensions on which you want to learn which language. I am go to the C and C++. Click on it and I already installed it. So is already, so you can install the C++ extension. Here's the video of how to install C++ Visual Studio Code in your PC. Make sure you like this video and press the bell icon and subscribe my channel and share this video to your friend.